Could Avalanche or Avax be gearing up for a comeback? Is it ready to shine again in the crypto market? The current price of Avax is showing some promising signs, with a 4.59% increase in intraday trading. This uptick indicates a potential recovery from recent losses and an attempt to regain control above the significant 50-day exponential moving average. Now, it's no secret that the crypto market is not for the faint-hearted. Recent profit-taking activities have led to a decline in Avax's price. It's a classic scenario in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, where investors often cash in their profits, leading to temporary price drops. However, despite this setback, there's a silver lining that we cannot ignore. The bullish momentum is evident and seems to hint at a potential comeback. It's like a phoenix rising from the ashes, ready to soar high again. This momentum is a beacon of hope for Avax enthusiasts and potential investors, signaling that all may not be lost. It indicates that the investors' confidence in Avax is not completely eroded, and there's a chance for a rebound. So the question now is not just about the current price or the recent increase in intraday trading. It's about whether this momentum can be sustained. Can Avax continue to push through the resistance and break out from the bearish cycle? Given these price movements, it's clear that Avax is making strides to recover. But can this momentum be sustained? Let's delve deeper. In the world of cryptocurrency, developer activity is a key indicator of a coin's health. So, how is Avax faring on this front? The pulse of any cryptocurrency can be measured by the rhythm of its developer activity. Avalanche, or Avax, has seen its fair share of fluctuations in this arena. There's been a recent decrease in contributors, a factor that could potentially impact the forward momentum of Avax's development progress. In the bustling streets of crypto, developers are the architects. When the number of these architects dwindles, it raises eyebrows. Yet it's crucial to remember that these fluctuations are not uncommon in the world of technology and innovation. The ebb and flow of contributors might simply reflect the dynamic nature of the crypto development scene rather than a cause for concern. It's not always a downhill trajectory. Often it's a winding road with peaks and troughs, and Avax, like any other cryptocurrency, is navigating this terrain. But developer activity isn't the only game in town. Market interest, gauged by open interest contracts, is another key player in the crypto drama. For Avax, these contracts have seen growth, indicating a robust interest in the coin. However, similar to the developer activity, there's been a recent decline. Now you might be wondering, how does this correlate with the drop in Avax's price? Well, in the grand scheme of things, when open interest contracts decrease, it often signals a reduction in trading activity. This can lead to a decrease in liquidity, which in turn can influence the price dynamics of a cryptocurrency. In Avax's case, it seems to have correlated with a drop in price. With this decrease in developer activity and open interest contracts, one might wonder about the market sentiment towards Avax. Let's explore that next. The sentiment of investors can often drive the direction of a cryptocurrency. So, what's the current sentiment towards Avax? In the world of cryptocurrencies, sentiment is king. It's the collective mood or feeling of investors and traders towards a particular cryptocurrency. For Avalanche, or Avax, as it's more commonly known, the sentiment has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride. There was a time when the sentiment towards Avax was quite negative. People were skeptical, and this was reflected in the market performance of the coin. The price was down and the overall vibe was gloomy, but as they say, the only way to go from the bottom is up. And that's exactly what happened with Avax. A shift occurred, and the sentiment started to turn positive. The coin began to regain its losses, and the mood amongst investors improved. This uptick in sentiment wasn't just a fleeting moment, it was a sign of a changing tide, a new chapter in the Avax story. Today, the sentiment towards Avax is neutral. This neutrality isn't a sign of indecisiveness or lack of direction. Instead, it's a reflection of a balanced market, a tug of war between the bulls and the bears. Now, you might be wondering, how does this shift in sentiment influence the future performance of Avax? Well, sentiment is a powerful tool. It can drive demand, influence price, and shape market trends. A positive sentiment can attract new investors, fueling a rise in price. On the other hand, a negative sentiment can trigger sell-offs, leading to a drop in price. With a neutral sentiment, the future of Avax could go either way. It's like a pendulum at rest, ready to swing in any direction. But what do the experts predict? Let's find out. Predicting the price of a cryptocurrency is no easy task, but it's always interesting to see what the experts think. So what's the forecast for Avax? As we gaze into the crystal ball of April 2024, the experts are seeing a range of possibilities for AVAX. The predictions swing from a modest $38.9 up to a more optimistic $70.8. Quite a wide spread, wouldn't you agree? But as we know, the roller coaster world of cryptocurrency is shaped by many factors, and these predictions are no exception. They are heavily dependent on market dynamics, which can shift rapidly and without warning. Market dynamics encompass everything from global economic conditions, investor sentiment, regulatory changes, technological advancements, to the level of adoption among users and businesses. All these elements play a significant role in determining the price trajectory of a cryptocurrency. So while these numbers may seem solid, they are built on shifting sands. Despite the uncertainty, one thing remains clear. The long-term trend outlook for AVAX is bullish. Now, this is a term you'll often hear in the investment world, but what does it mean in this context? Well, a bullish trend suggests that the price is expected to rise. It's a signal that has the potential to attract buyers who are looking to get in at a lower price point. And it's not just the price predictions that are turning heads. The belief in AVAX's potential is also reflected in the increased developer activity and the shift from negative to positive sentiment we discussed earlier. In conclusion, while AVAX has faced some challenges recently, the potential for a comeback is there. With bullish momentum, a shift in sentiment, and attractive price predictions, AVAX might just be ready to shine again. So whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a curious newcomer, keep your eyes peeled on AVAX. It's certainly a coin to watch as we journey further into the world of cryptocurrency.